This is literally so cool. Look behind, look over there.
Welcome back to the fifth and final part of our Scotland video series. On this road trip, we take the scenic route from Edinburgh to Glasgow and make a bunch of different stops along the way. But first, we have to pick up our rental car.
It says driver advice, rules of the road. You must always drive on the left, in all caps, first one. Do not stop in yellow box junctions. In the UK, you cannot turn on a red light. Hey, that answered that question you had. Only use the hard shoulder in an emergency. At roundabouts, give way to traffic coming from the right. Blah, blah, blah. It is illegal to drive under the influence of alcohol. Noted. That's it. Got it?
After about 45 minutes, we made our first stop.
We just parked at Midhope Castle, our first little mini stop. We just wanted to see, we're gonna walk around the corner, see if we can see it. It is where they filmed an Outlander. It is Jamie's hometown. Then from here, we're gonna go to Stirling Castle where we do have tickets, and we are going at opening at 9:30 in the morning. Look at this. We decided to walk in because they were open, even though it said it didn't open till 9. So we're gonna speed run this a little bit. Look at that. Freaking cool. We basically have the entire thing to ourselves. Okay, this would be perfect for like an LA set to come in because there's so much space out here. Do you need some hay? And look, it's literally hip, hip, hip. I gotta do it. I gotta do what he did. Hip, hip. Hop, 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 hop. Look at them staring at me. This is insane. He knows we're freaking him out. We have no food. Hey, buddy.
And once again, the Scotland weather made a change and it started to rain. So we headed to our next stop at Stirling Castle.
Okay, it's starting to rain a little bit, but nothing our little driver can handle.
I feel obligated to put these little horse heads in here, but we didn't stop to see them.
This is the first roundabout of the trip. Wish me luck.
You got it?
All right. Mamma mia, man.
Third roundabout in a row here, but nothing we can't handle.
By the time we got to Stirling, the sun started to come out, and we were so excited to see the castle. But we did have some issues when it came to parking.
We're about to try to parallel park on the opposite side of the road.
If you do this in one try, I think I'm gonna hate you a little bit, but I'll be also proud. Okay, it is 9:32, and we are walking up the hill to Stirling Castle. The parking situation was a bit interesting, but I'm really glad we got here early. We ended up just parking on the street, even though I swear I saw the parking lot. Well, I figured out the parking situation. Austin got the drone footage, cue the montage, and now we're going up this extremely. Is this?
This is steep.
I'm trying to vlog, but like, this is like, get your quads going here.
There are so many castles that you could see when you're visiting Scotland, but if you want my opinion, you have to stop by Stirling Castle. Stirling Castle sits atop some volcanic rock overlooking one of Scotland's most important crossroads. It was home to Scottish royalty, including the famous Mary Queen of Scots. One of the castle's most memorable stories is about John Damien, an Italian who believed he could fly. It's said that he strapped on feathered wings and jumped from the castle walls, and apparently he survived with only a broken leg. I don't know if I believe it. There were so many cool rooms to explore that had been restored to their former glory. One of the cooler things to see was the magnificent ceiling decorated with the Stirling heads, hand-carved oak portraits of royalty and nobles. The surviving originals were carefully preserved while skilled craftsmen created replicas to restore the palace. The great kitchens were built to prepare massive feasts for Scotland's royal court. Today, restored displays show what life looked like behind the scenes of a 16th century palace.
This is so cool. There are sheer drops without barriers beyond this point. This is literally so cool. Look behind, look over there.
We just finished at Stirling Castle and we are now going to
Darnley Coffee House for a sandwich and a soup, and it looks really good.
After visiting the castle, I highly recommend grabbing a meal at the Darnley Coffee House. We got the best soup and sandwich, which was very much needed after our cold morning.
Okay, how amazing.
That was so good.
So good.
After lunch, we hit the road again for a 15-minute drive to Doune Castle.
All right, so we just stumbled upon our second castle of the day. We are at Doune Castle, also known as Winterfell.
I feel like I'm in Game of Thrones trying to get over this wall.
Next thing you know, we were back on the road and headed to Glasgow. Now, this drive was a little bit longer than anticipated, so shout out to Austin for driving the whole way.
We made it to Glasgow, but we're whispering because there's a lot of people and it's really cringy.
To be clear, that's disgusting. Welcome to Glasgow, except not the main square because we're under construction.
We walked up to St. George's Square and it's completely closed, and the only view that we had was through a small lookout window, and it's completely under construction. So
when arriving in Glasgow, we didn't really have a plan. We just walked around and explored the city. We accidentally stumbled on a classic Scottish tradition where they place these traffic cones on top of statues. What once was a prank is now just part of the culture. There were so many different restaurants to stop in on Buchanan Street, but we found the Ivy and it was definitely the right pick.
this is my shepherd's pie. I know, I'm so ready. Okay, let's just mix her up. Whenever we lock the car, the side mirrors do this. I don't think it's supposed to do that.
Just stopped by the car. We just had a really good meal at the Ivy, but we're gonna walk to this little park area. We're gonna walk down there, it's by the river. So here he is.
We took Highway M8 back to Edinburgh and got some much needed rest.
Alrighty, it is our big old travel day today. We're heading back home. We're going through Philadelphia and let our travel montage begin.
It was definitely sad to leave the city, but at this point it had been 12 days, so we were ready to go home.
It's really current weather in Philadelphia, partly cloudy sky.
Okay, we just landed in Philly. We got our bags. And now we're going to go through customs, recheck the bags, do the whole thing, and then hopefully find some sort of salad to eat because we need it.
The pillow looks so silly. Okay, so we literally flew through Philadelphia, rechecked the bags, went through customs in like 10 minutes. I don't know, it seemed too easy.
We didn't know it yet, but I just completely jinxed the rest of this travel day.
7 hours later.
So it is 11:30 p.m. Central Time. We were supposed to land 5 hours ago. Long story short, there's weather in Dallas, so we rerouted to Chicago of all places 5 hours later. And we've been up for almost 24.
If you made it to the end of this video series, thank you so much for tuning in and sharing your thoughts. Each place we went to was so special and had much more to offer than we could have ever imagined. From quick climate changes to castles, and my favorite, the hairy cows. We fell in love with the country and the culture that we found in Scotland. This trip was one for the books. Now don't forget to like and subscribe because the next adventure is just around the corner.
Sorry, there's a bird fighting in the woods over there and it distracted me. But we just, oh my God, they're really fighting. These birds are really going crazy in there. Cool though, I love castles. It says that they think that you can see like a little bit of the original paint, but I don't see it. Another day, another really steep freaking hill, man. Like I'm at an angle. This is called the Albert Bridge. Alberto.